Fresh Flex. Fresh Flex.
All right, so right here we got Jem and me. I'm gonna give you guys $40 to go shopping right here at the North Union Market at Shaker Square and see what you guys can find, all right? What's y'all's secret plan so far?
We gonna make salsa and we gonna fry up some potatoes.
Ooh.
In fact, I like to cook anyway.
Yeah, of course. It's fun. It's exciting.
We need fresh fruit. We need fresh vegetables. Feed our future so we can be a
You can go plant it out, dirt, make it work.
And it's actually fun to cook, and I want to inspire everyone to grow your own produce and cook it at the same time.